Good morning, my dears. Welcome back to our video class. Yesterday we learned about Incredible India, isn't it? Yes. I think all of you understand that topic. So today we are going to learn the second chapter, and the name of the second chapter is World Superlatives. What's the name of the second chapter? World Superlative. What is meant by superlatives? Did you know the meaning? Superlative. Superlatives is the hyperbolical expression of a price. Okay, it is an expression of price, and one another word for superlative is excellent, and the other one is wonderful. Okay, like wonderful and excellent, we use superlatives. So here in the second chapter, we are going to learn about world superlatives. So listen, answer this question using the words given in the help box. In the help box, look at the textbook below. Let me help you. And in this help box, some names are given. So, from that help box, answer these questions. Okay, using the words given in the help box. And the first question, which is the largest continent in the world? So, our first question, which is the largest continent in the world? Do you know which continent is the largest one? Yes, the continent that we live. That is Asia. Okay, so Asia is the largest continent in the world. So write down the answer there. Asia. Asia. So the second question, which is the longest mountain range in the world? There are a lot of mountain ranges are there. So which is the longest mountain range in the world? The longest mountain range in the world is, do you know the answer? Himalayas. Which is the longest mountain range? Himalayas is the longest mountain range in the world. So write down the answer there. Himalayas. Himalayas is the longest mountain range in the world. So the next question, which is the highest mountain range in the world? So longest mountain range in the world is Himalayas, and the highest mountain range in the world. The highest mountain range in the world is Andes Mountain. Look at the picture there. Andes Mountain, and this is the highest mountain range in the world. So write down the answer there. Andes Mountains. Andes Mountains is the highest mountain range in the world. And the next one, which country is the largest in the world? There are a lot of countries, and here which country is the largest country in the world? And the largest country in the world is Russia. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. So write down the answer there. Russia. Okay. And the next one, which is the world's smallest continent? The largest continent we learned it is Asia, and which is the world's smallest continent? Yes, Australia is the smallest continent. So write down the answer, Australia. Don't make mistake, write down the spelling. Okay, so the smallest continent in the world is Australia, and the largest continent in the world, Asia. And the next question, which is the highest waterfall in the world? Which is the highest waterfall in the world? Look at the picture there. Here, look at the picture. One waterfall is here. What's the name of that waterfall? Angel Falls. And Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. So write down the name there. Angel Falls. Okay, so Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. And the next question, which is the world's largest island? The world's largest island. Look at the help box. Any idea about the largest island? Yes, the answer is Greenland, and Greenland is the world's largest island. So write down the answer there. Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island. And the next one, which is the biggest and the deepest ocean on earth? Which is the biggest and the deepest ocean? There are so many oceans, isn't it? Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic, right that. So, which is the biggest and deepest ocean? Which is the biggest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay, so Pacific Ocean is the biggest and deepest ocean. So, write down the answer there. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest and deepest ocean on earth. And next one, which ocean is called the warmest ocean on earth? Pacific Ocean is the biggest and deepest one. Then the warmest ocean, it is our Indian Ocean. Okay, so Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean on earth. Then the last question, which highest plateau is also known as roof of the world? Which highest plateau is known as roof of the world? And the answer, it is Tibetan Plateau. Which is the plateau? Tibetan Plateau. So Tibetan Plateau is known as, what is known as? The roof of the world. Okay, did you understand? All questions are too simple. Okay, so first one, which is the largest continent in the world? And the largest continent is Asia. And the second one, longest mountain range in the world. Himalayas is the longest mountain range in the world. So Himalayas is the longest mountain range, and which is the highest mountain range? It is Andes Mountains. Andes Mountains is the highest mountain range. And the next one, which is the world's which country is the largest in the world? And the largest country in the world is Russia. Okay, so the next one, which is the world's smallest continent? World's smallest continent is Australia, and the largest continent is Asia. And the next one, which is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls. Angel Falls is called the highest waterfall. And the next one, world's largest island. Greenland is largest island in the world. And the next one, which is the biggest and the deepest ocean on earth? Biggest and the deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and the warmest ocean is Indian Ocean. And the last and final question, which highest plateau is also known as roof of the world? And here the answer is a Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau, and it is also known as the roof of the world. Okay, so these are the 10 questions we learned today. It is not so difficult, it is too simple questions and answer. So read this question minimum 5 or 6 times, and also by heart memorize this chapter. Okay, so we will continue the class tomorrow. Up to that, be safe. Thank you.